Hello, 8th graders. Your new section is going to be on section 8.1 from the book, which is on translations. And we did some things with translations last year, but we're going to do them a little more in depth this year, do some different things with them. And so, first of all, we need to remember what a transformation is. If you transform something, think about the transformers, right? They change. So if you transform something, it is changing either the position, the shape, or the size of the figure. It is changing somehow. So translation is one type of transformation that will move each point of a figure the same distance and in the same direction. So you can't rotate it also along with sliding it. It's also called a slide, but the real term for it is translation. And so they also talk about an image, and that's the figure you get after the transformation has occurred. So you have a pre-image, which is your original image, and then you have the image, which is your new image that you're going to work with. And so if I want to do this one here, it says triangle JKL has vertices of J, which is at 0, 2. So I'm going to put these on here. So 0, 2 would be right here. 3, 4 would be, remember you go left and right first, so 3, 4 would be right there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 would be right there. So here is my pre-image of JKL, and then it says translate it. Okay, so I need to move it. I'm going to translate it 4 units to the left and 5 units up. And so the easiest way to do it is to just take each point one at a time and move it. So take this point from where it's at and move it 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Take this point and go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Take this point and go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. There is the exact same triangle. All I did was I slid it, I translated it, right? 4 units to the left and 5 units up. That's the easiest way to do it. You could also write out the points like this, right? And then if I'm going to the left, I have to subtract, right? And this is my x and this is my y. So I would subtract 4, subtract 4, subtract 4 from all of my x's. And going up means I'm going to add. So I would add 5 to each y. All I'm doing here is getting my new points. So negative 4, 7. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 minus 4 is 1. And 1 plus 5 is 6. Well, take a look and see if we did it right. So negative 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look at that. The point is in the correct place. Negative 1, 9. Oh, look at that. And 1, 6. So it works either way. The easiest way is just to take each point and do what it says. Or you can actually write the points out, make the changes, get your new points, and then graph it. So this one was my pre-image, and this one is my image. So here we have a little different situation. It says, write a rule that describes the translation shown and check how far. The key to it is checking how far the original point's owned. So I'm going to pause this for a second, and I'm going to draw something on here so we can use it. Okay, so I have 2 triangles drawn here. The red one is the pre-image, and the blue one is the image. So the red one is the original. The blue is the one after I did something to it, after I translated it, okay? So to find a rule, and the rule you're going to write it as like in the form of xy. And I know right now you're thinking, what does that mean? I have no idea, right? It's okay. I'm going to show you what you got to do. So, what is happening to each x point is basically what they're asking here, right? What's happening to each x? What am I doing to the x and what am I doing to the y? Okay, so this point right here becomes this point, right? If you look at corresponding sides. So the x went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left, it looks like, right? So I'd have to go x minus 6 then. That's my rule for the x. So look at this point, would be this point, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it went 6 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So x minus 6 will get you over here. Now what happened to each y? So if I start with this one, what happened to the y? It went down 2, it looks like. This one went down 2. This one went down 2. So y minus 2. So this right here is the rule. Okay? It doesn't have to be as complicated as it sounds. They just want to know what. So we will go over this in more detail the next time I see you, but for now, that's probably enough to get us started on what we're going to be doing in the next class period. So bring that knowledge with you, and I will see you on Monday. Have a good weekend.